Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lainey. You're new here, and if you can hear Lucy in the background, you're welcome. It's adorable. Okay, let's get into my winter pickups. I've kind of decided that I like doing like a haul video for each season because I really don't. Actually, I've gotten a lot this winter just because I'm so excited about being able to like wear my clothes again and my body not fluctuating so insanely like with pregnancy. I've been picking up pieces for the spring, summer, and then also winter time. And then also, which is a little different for me, I have a lot of beauty products. Not a lot. I have like a couple beauty products that have just been game changers for me right now. Whether it's like saving time or just making me feel a lot better when I'm not always the most put together. They're just things that like you wake up and you already feel a lot more beautiful instead of like having to put a bunch of makeup on kind of thing. So with that, let's just get into it. I started using the Kenzie device. And I'll be the first to say that I have seen people talk about this product, but I was so skeptical about it just because it seems too good to be true. So something I didn't know about this product is that it does more than just laser hair removal. It has a different wavelengths targeting different skin conditions that helps reduce acne, hair, age spots, and just overall rejuvenates the skin. It delivers quick and long-term results, and you get results as fast as 2 to 3 weeks and full results at 12 weeks. It's super easy and cost effective. I used to go to the salon and get laser hair removal done, and now with a newborn, I obviously do not have the time to do that. So this is amazing. It literally takes less time than shaving for me because for this I don't have to be in the shower, which, you know, I don't always have the time to do that with a newborn. I can literally just pick this up when I go into the bathroom, and I've been just testing it out on my armpits and literally already see results. I've had it for, I think, 4 weeks, a month. So like I said, in just 4 weeks, I've already noticed my armpit hair thinning out. So even though I've been using it for 4 weeks, I started seeing results at just 2 weeks, and I really noticed my hair growing back so much slower. Now thinking back on it, so much slower because I'm not able to shower and shave as much as I'd like with a newborn. So I've been shaving so much less, but my armpits look like I've been shaving every day. The hair is also just growing back so much thinner, like I said, which makes shaving easier and cuts down time on just everything. I highly suggest if you've been thinking about laser hair removal and it just looks like it costs too much or takes too much time, this is the product that you need in your life. So if you guys want to try out the Kenzie IPL handset, you can use my code LANEY20 for 20% off. Again, Kenzie has a lot of amazing offers to make this device accessible, including payment plans on their website. I feel like right now is the perfect time to pick this up and start using it just with spring and summer right around the corner. The IPL handset is sleek, elegant, ergonomic, and easy to use with 10 years of flashes. There is a super easy quick start guide manual. I don't know why I thought it was going to be more complicated than it is, but in the box you get this machine, the charger, and the manual, and it is really simple. You get a 9-foot power cord so you never run out of battery. There's a skin tone chart guide, 12-month warranty, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Kenzie has amazing offers to make this device accessible, and they offer payment plans on the website. With the 90-day money-back guarantee, you can make sure the device works for you, and if it doesn't, return it. So a little bit more into the product. IPL means intense pulsed light, which is a broad spectrum to treat a wide area faster. It's non-radiating, convenient, safe, and efficient. It converts light energy to heat to treat each area, and each attachment head will treat the area designed specifically for that purpose. So like I've said, I've tried every type of hair removal before, and laser has always been my favorite, but with the salon, it was expensive and, you know, hard to get in. I was actually going in Chicago, so now that I'm in Michigan, I don't have a place to even go to. That's where this comes in. And then with, you know, waxing or sugaring or razors, I would always get razor bumps, and it just didn't feel like it was lasting long enough for the effort I was putting in. There was one point that I literally had tried everything and I got an epilator, I think like off Amazon or something, and I was so convinced that this was what was gonna work for me at home, and it hurt so bad and literally left me destroyed. It was an awful, awful experience, but this at-home device, it's quick, it's easy, and it doesn't hurt like those other methods can. If you guys have tried this out already, because I know so many people have talked about it before, I feel like I'm the last person ever to start using it. Leave your results, or if you like it, in the comments below. I'm really curious. Again, I've only had it for a month and I've already been seeing results, but I'm curious if you've had it for like a year or something, how much it's changed your routine. Again, if you guys want to use the discount code LANEY20 for 20% off. You can use the link in the description box or go to kenzie.com, KENZZI.com, LANEY20, 20% off. Let's talk about this because I feel like my hair looks really good. If I do say so myself. I've got some texture, which I don't normally have, and volume, which I don't normally have, and my bangs are sitting so well. And I swear it's this hairspray. It's actually like a volumizing hairspray. It says thickening spray. It's called Bedhead Queen for a Day. So I can link this down below for you guys. Obviously, I just got it off Amazon, and it takes 2 seconds to put in my hair. It doesn't matter if my hair has like no texture at all to it that day. It'll just give it some volume. Or even if I like sleep with my hair in a bun, you know, and it's got like a weird kink to it, I put this in my hair and it just like fixes it. It still makes it so like it can move. It does not feel like it's got anything in it. I put it in my roots and down here, and then we'll just scrunch. It's a game changer. I love it. And I'm not a hair product girly. Let's get into another hair product. I've got the Babe, what is this now called? Babe Original Hair Serum. Densifying, oh my God, can I read? The Densifying Hair Serum, and I use this on like the day before I know I'm gonna be able to wash my hair, and I just put it in my roots at night, and I feel like my hair has grown. And I knew postpartum it was gonna be really important for me to start taking care of my hair, just thinking of like the shampoo and stuff that I use, because before I really could just use anything and my hair looked good. So many women talk about how they lose a bunch of hair during postpartum, and I feel like my hair has never looked better, and I like to think it's because of this. So I'm excited about that. You can also use my code LANEY20 if you want 20% off any of the Babe Original stuff. Okay, then if you guys watch my makeup videos, which I know a lot of people don't, you would have seen me talk about these little like Amazon lotion dispensers. And I wasn't using lotion because I was so trying to like make my routine quicker and quicker and quicker that unscrewing a cap on a lotion or a micellar water or whatever was too much for me. I'm a little bit insane. So these lids pop right off, and then I'm sure you've seen them before on like TikTok and stuff. You squeeze and it dispenses the perfect amount of product. I'll save that for later. I can link these again in the description box, but yeah, I really like them. And I've got 3 of them. I've got one for witch hazel, which I can like put a cotton round on and then pump it and then put it on my face. This is lotion, and then I have a sunscreen one. And now I'm actually able to complete my routine morning and night. Okay, and last beauty product. Again, because of having a newborn, I've been washing my hands to the point where they like crumble and bleed. My mom actually got this lotion in Chicago in this like little store a couple years ago, and we were obsessed with it. And then she found it online and got it for me for Christmas, and I've been using it nonstop. I was never a hand lotion person before because my hands were never like this dry. Yeah, if you've got really dry hands, this is really, really good, and it smells amazing. I have no idea how much it costs though, so I don't know, because I didn't buy it, my mom did. I'll find it online for you guys though, because my mom found it online. Okay, let's get into the clothes, because I know that's what a lot of you guys like, and I've got some fun stuff. First of all, this top that I'm wearing, don't look at my leggings. How cute is this top? Oh my God, when I saw it on Urban, I fell in love with it. You guys know I don't shop too much on like Urban or sites like that. I'm really a thrift, eBay, Depop, Poshmark, now whatnot girly. But on Urban, If I find something that I really like, I will buy it because I end up wearing their clothes for a really long time. I have a lot of pieces in my closet that are from Urban from like years and years and years ago, and I've kind of been able to like figure out what I will like and what I don't like. I used to have a little green top like this with a ruffle. If I can find a picture, I'll put it here, that I thrifted, and it just doesn't fit me anymore. And I've missed it so much. So when I found this one with sizes, I was like, deal, let's pick it up. So I actually have 2 more tops from Urban. This one has like the ruffles and the floral little whatever in the center, and I think it's so cute. And then I really like that like asymmetrical look. So like I said, I'm a little bit bigger than I used to be, which is fine. So I also picked up this little blue tube top. This baby blue color, I am so into pastels right now, which is weird because I've never been. I don't know if it's like because I'm dressing Lucy in pastels and I want to match her. I don't know why I think it's so cute to match your baby. Brandon has a pair of like skeleton sweatpants, and I found Lucy a pair of skeleton sweatpants, and I think that's so cute. I can't help it. This little asymmetric tube top I thought was again too cute to pass up. Wearing it with like a low-waisted pair of pants or like a peachy den Mimi's in like that oyster color. So good. I'm so excited to style this. Maybe I'm just really excited for spring because I feel so cooped up since I don't go anywhere. I'm ready for it to be warmer outside so I can just like sit outside with Lucy, because right now if I go outside with Lucy it's like a bundled walk and we can stay out like an hour, but not that long. Okay, then the last top I got from Urban, this was just like because I got these 2 tops that I wanted really badly. I saw this one and thought it was really cute and added it to cart. It says girls do everything better, and now that I'm a girl mom, I'm just, I don't know, it's for Lucy. Okay, next. So I actually got this jacket off Whatnot, and I said I wasn't gonna buy the moto jacket. This was 40 bucks. And it's real leather pink. Did I already show this? I can't remember if I already showed this, but I know I already styled it in another video, is why this video is not a try on, because now I only have like an hour to film videos. So we gotta like separate them, and you know, you gotta come back later for the try on, I'm sorry. This jacket was just too freaking good. Was it 40 or 60 bucks? Now I can't remember. Anything under 100 bucks for a real leather jacket, I think is just such a good deal. Baby pink, I think it's so cute and it fits me so well. I don't know. I'm so excited for springtime to wear this, and like you treat this as like a top. You zip it up, keep it zipped up. It just makes the whole outfit. I'm so excited about that. And I do think it's like different. It's not like a race car moto jacket. It feels a little bit more up my alley now that I'm like into baby pink. Is it from having a baby? Then these you would have seen in another video, styling video, if it went up before this. If not, you will see these. These are weird, and I feel like people aren't gonna like them, and that makes me like it. These are little like capri bloomers with the most gorgeous bottom hem in the whole world. I styled these with that pink jacket, and I'm like unsure about it, but I think in the spring and summertime, these with like kitten heels and maybe even like a flowy top like this would look better, or like this. And this little bit, oh, this will be cute, and a pair of kitten heels will be so freaking adorable. Oh my god, I can't wait to like make spring and summer outfits for you guys. And then also, I think this with like a big baggy t-shirt and maybe like riding boots. I don't know. I have a lot of ideas for these, and I'm very excited about them. I haven't seen anybody these type of bloomers. I like kind of forgot they existed at a point in time, and I'm just really happy. Did I say I got these on Whatnot? I keep ordering on Whatnot. So next, another piece you have already seen. These are the Uniqlo jeans that I talked about in a wish list video. I was just kind of waiting for like figure out what size I would be after giving birth, and I ended up picking up the super dark Uniqlo jeans. I'm really happy that I did, because my other jeans don't fit yet or ever will. Who cares? I got these in a 27, and they say they're low rise on the website, but they're not. They're pretty high rise, because I think when I bought them I was a 27, and now I'm probably like a 26, and they're slowly like, you know, fitting a little bit more low-waisted, which is what I wanted them to. So I got to wear them, you know, more than one way, and while my body is still changing, and I like them cuffed, which is crazy because I didn't think I would like be super into the wide leg, big cuff trend, mostly because I'm 5'7" and jeans are normally like perfect length on me as is. But I don't know, I'm into it. And the reason I think I'm into it is because I've been pairing them with the Onitsuka Tigers, which my brother got me for Christmas. I told him I wanted the yellow Kill Bill ones and he got them for me, which I was really excited about. These are so comfy. The inside's literally like a Dr. Scholl already foot pad. So I've been wearing these like around the house, just as like a slipper basically, because they offer really good support. Also, I wear my Hokas around the house because now I like walk and bounce all the time carrying Lucy. But I can link these down below for you guys. I just got them true to size. They have a silver pair, which I've been eyeing, but I'm trying to stop doing the thing because I've talked about this in a video where you buy the same thing in just like more than one color. So like I'm gonna wait until I beat the crap out of these, then I'll let myself get the silver ones. So that'll be in a few years. But that's how I keep myself from buying things so aggressively. And we'll see if I even like them in a few years, but I probably will. What was I gonna say about these? They're really cute. They go with everything. They're really cute. They go with everything. Yeah, I was right. They're gonna be really cute in the spring and summertime as a pop of color. Love, love, love those. Then, this is something you guys haven't seen. This was also from my brother for Christmas. This was actually his. It's a puffer like sweatshirt, like hoodie sweatshirt, but it's a down puffer jacket and it's originally from, well, it is from ALD. And he got it for himself, but it was a little bit like tight and just too hot for him. He doesn't need to be this bundled. And I had told him that I really liked it and if he ever wanted to get rid of it, to give it to me. So he gave it to me for Christmas, which I was really excited about. And it is the perfect like walking jacket or taking your dog potty jacket. I think it's like really cute too, obviously, but I haven't been going that many places where I'm like need to be super bundled. And if I take Lucy on a walk, I do a zip up jacket because I tend to do that like front carrier thing. But when I just like take Ernie out, I just put this on with a t-shirt underneath and it's so warm and so easy in the morning to take him potty because you don't have to think of like putting anything under. You just like put it on like a hoodie and you're good to go in like -degree weather. So I really like that. Thanks, Jackson. As you can tell, this haul's pretty collective. Then we've got two other Christmas gifts. You guys have seen both of these in my maternity outfits video. Outfits of the week, not maternity, just outfits of the week video. I got the black ribbed Skims dress. I thought that this was just gonna be so nice for the summertime. It's super thin, but like hugs you really nicely. I love how long it is. And also wearing this now with a sweater over top, it just looks like the perfect maxi skirt that I've been looking for at the thrift and I just can't seem to find. So I asked for this for Christmas. And also wearing it around the house, like actually lounging like it's intended for, is really nice. It's so soft, buttery. It feels like expensive, and I mean it is kind of expensive. Then last Christmas present that you guys have seen, these are the Abercrombie riding boots, which is so weird, but one of you guys sent them to me on Black Friday. You were like, oh my god, Abercrombie has the riding boots that you have been looking for. You guys know I was looking to get them vintage and I just couldn't find a pair that I was obsessed with that weren't like $300, and these were on sale for $100. I don't know if they're even real leather or not, but they're exactly what I wanted. They are like not too thick. They're not a lug sole. I didn't want that. I wanted them super clean. They fit my calves, which doesn't always happen with knee-high boots. I don't know why everybody thinks your leg is that big. It's not. And I'm just excited to style these a bunch of ways. Shorts in the winter time, wearing them, you know, with maxi dresses and midi skirts, whatever. Tucking them into like capris or wearing them with capris. Super cute, and I've been styling them a lot on my channel. I've been having so much fun being able to make clothes for you, or make outfits for you guys again. Yeah, I just keep wanting to make outfits videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying that because talking is hard for me right now, and being able to just make an outfits video, set up the camera, not have to talk, because my brain doesn't work. Okay, this is the last item, and this is actually something I thrifted when I was thrifting for you guys, and this was supposed to be something that I was going to sell on my Whatnot live stream, and then I swapped it for a pair I already had to like make things even, but I kept these ones. These are a pair of blue gingham pants. They're not even pajama pants, they're real pants because they have a zipper and a button and a tie, and if you guys know, these like kind of printed thin pants are my favorite in the whole wide world. Here's the brand if you want to try and look for them. But like, I don't know how, maybe you could find them online. They're perfect. I can't wait to wear these in the summertime, and I like wearing them in the winter too. I think it's cute. They're just pretty thin, where if it's like windy outside. You can't really get away with it, but that's it. Those are my winter pickups. Kind of a lot of stuff, but it was also like Christmas stuff, and I think it's been since November I've been accumulating those things. Still seems like a lot. Maybe I'll slow down on the shopping because I have a lot of clothes to wear and I haven't gone anywhere, but I just like making outfits for you guys. Remember, if you guys want to check out Kenzie, you can use my code LANEY20 for 20% off. Use the link in the description box. Thank you again for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.